Hey guys, this is the second video. I'm at the same spot, same day. Just caught a beautiful sunfish. This is what, about maybe a couple minutes after the video was posted. Beautiful size. Hook just popped out right now and even take it out of them. Beautiful colors, beautiful sunfish, big mouth. And here's part 2. God bless me. I'll post this video up maybe tomorrow, maybe tonight, I don't know. Depends. I'll cast one more out there. If I can catch another fish within the next 4 minutes, I'll keep fishing here, but if I can't, then I'll fish another spot. I have about 6 different spots here at the creek. This is my first one. I usually catch a good amount of fish at, but these fish are being very, very, very finicky today. I don't know why. They're not swallowing it, they're just nibbling at it. I got another one. Oh, he came off. Oh, got another bite. Got this one. Little guy. See, this is the type of video I would want to be posting. Number 2. Another nice beauty. I think this one's a bluegill. Not really sure, but another nice little fish. 2 fish with it. That first video wasn't the best, but this video is getting a little bit better. 2 fish within a couple minutes. Oh, in that 12-minute video, I could only catch 1. Not the best. And here's oh, he came off. That was a good one. That was a very nice bite. I saw him come up. What I do is I let it sit, and then once I see the line start moving to a side or start moving, I try and hook set them because I know it's a fish. Think they took my worm. Nah, yeah. Video is already better than the first one. I apologize for that bad fishing video. I'm using worms for bait again. Caught these about 5 minutes before I started fishing. Took me 20 minutes to find about probably around 40 worms, I'd say. Searching for wild, lifting up leaves, logs, rocks. And yeah. Just moved it a little bit on the drop off up there. Nice little drop off past the log. Oh, I got a bite. Came off. I'm gonna try and cast it in the current. Beautiful cast. Right where I wanted to, right in that current across the way. See if there's any bigger fish in there. Oh, fish on already. First cast in there, and it is a fall fish, which I was kind of expecting over there. Beautiful size. Say maybe couple inches long. Beautiful fish. Call these fall fish. Very predatorial. And there he goes, fish number 3 of the video. Cast in the same, okay, that was a bad cast. I'm gonna try and cast it in the same spot again. See if I can get another one. They get pretty big. They get up to like a foot long. Not bad for this little creek. Getting a little hit right now. Just little nibbles. Nothing I'm looking for. I'll give it a couple more casts over here. Find a nice big juicy worm. These worms aren't the biggest because I find them myself to save money. Because I don't have a job yet. But okay, we'll try. Cast it out again. Nah, not where I want to go. I'm trying to get back in that current for bigger fish instead of having these little sunnies pick me off. Nah, short of where I wanted to be, but there's a nice little deep little pocket over there. Maybe fish will be in. Nah. Yeah, I'm gonna move spots very soon. I can't get a bite on this little piece of worm. I'll give it one more cast with the new worm. I'm gonna hook this one a little bit better through his whole body so the worm doesn't come off as easy. The last worm came off because of my cast. So I only have one split shot and trying to cast it across the whole creek to the deepest, to the current where most likely is where the bigger fish will be because of the current, but and where the fall fish love to be because they're very predatorial. If anything comes by it, they go after it. Try it one more time. Very nice, perfect cast on the outer edge of that current. Now I just let it sit. Wiggle it a little bit. See if I can't get a bite. Oh, someone's biting it right now. Oh, he came off. Little guy. And this will conclude video number 2.